And the reason I came to Texas is I want to go on the very first Disney cruise line, the Disney Magic. Disney Cruise now. Let's take a closer look. Hey Mike.
Yeah.
We're going on a Disney cruise.
It's shrimp time, baby.
It's shrimp time. We're going on a cruise. That's it. The very first Disney cruise line.
That's it. The one, the only, the
magic,
original.
the OG. And it's freezing cold.
It's so cold. We might hit an iceberg in the Gulf of Mexico.
We could live out our Titanic dreams. No. We're going to Mexico. It's going to be nice and warm in Mexico. Elliot's dad went to Mexico.
This is good cruise wear.
Yeah,
Great
totally.
cruise wear.
Yep.
Bundled up. This is what it was like when they got on the Titanic.
Look at this. We're doing it. Look at that, man. The characters just came up from security. Welcome, guest. You excited?
I'm so excited.
Just doing a little dance. I know. Can't wait for it to warm up though.
I know. At least by the time we get out, I think of Texas, it'll get in the 70s, 80s, which anything above 30 degrees will feel great.
Yep. We're going right there. This is our ship. Abby, you excited?
I'm so excited. I am beyond.
There it is, just like last time. Filming it going on. Never been on this ship. The Magic right there. The OG, baby. Hey, we're here. Look at that. There's Mickey. Look at that.
Disney Magic, please welcome aboard the Beeson family.
There's Mickey. There he is. We're here. We are on the ship going to get some food. Had lunch at Cabanas, and then right here is something that I don't think anybody should be getting on today. There's the Aqua Lab, and these buckets fill up with water. This was very big for Disney when this first came out. Abby and I watched this documentary, if you will, on the making of this. And like one of their big things they were talking about is the use of these buckets filling up and dumping on people. I'm sure back then, like when this ship was first made, this was all like new technology, and it still holds up. Look at this, the Duck Inn Diner. You just duck in here and get a hamburger, cheeseburger, veggie burger, fish burger, hot dog, bratwurst sausage, chicken tenders, and or fries. You cold?
No, a little bit.
Cold?
A little bit.
You know it's cold when the lifeguards have on layers and
Kind of wonder.
Yeah, over there, they're red layers. Yeah, this is like the perfect time to film everything out here in the pool because no one's out here. You can see Donald over there. There's one of the slides they have, the spiral staircase. Oh my gosh, we're here. This is the Aqua Lab down here. We're gonna head over to Daisy's Delights, see what kind of desserts they have. Dude, look at the nephews here. Yeah, this is Daisy's Delights. Got some salads over here, all kinds of sandwiches and wraps. See right there. Moving down, cantaloupe, all kinds of fruit, cookies, bananas. What is this, Build-A-Bowl? What? Couscous, chicken and shrimp gumbo soup. Now this is good. I like this. And then there's toppings that you can throw in here. Holy moly, it's cold. It is cold. It's cold up here. It's abnormally cold. Got 3 layers on. We are aboard the Magic. Yay! Look at this. There it is, the hand, the screen. There's one of the slides I'm gonna do. Shoot down. Oh, that's awesome. Look at those little like private pools they have. Are those hot tubs? They could be. Let's see. This opens up, yeah, because this deck will completely close. When we wave and sail away, this is where we all will congregate. Look at this over here. There's like 2 of these little private pool areas, and I believe that's a hot tub. I can see the steam coming off. but I also can see the steam coming off the pool over here. This will close up because this, my friends, is where we will be seeing all the shows on the Magic, and I will be doing this slide here straight down. I'm excited. No aqueduct on this ship, but I will say, so far, I'm enjoying what I'm seeing. What do you guys think?
It's beautiful. It's cold, but man, we're on vacation and I could care less.
That's it, yeah! All right, this is midship. Let's continue, let's walk down this way. So many like places to hang out. Lounges down here, this pool. Yeah, I made it over to the other side. There's a pool basketball over here, some ping pong. Wow, look at that guy, he's moving. There's a little tug. It's so cold up here, man. This is incredible. I love it. I love the ocean. Let's head down here, Mike. This is the Cove Cafe. We're gonna head down and see what's going on. A little bar over there. Signals and the Cove Cafe with a little lounge there. Looks like something you probably see at Tomorrowland. Oh, here we go. Right in. Oh my gosh, Abby. This is awesome. Look at this, we have our own little lounge area to watch TV. Oh, a dream is a wish your heart makes. No way. Look at that Walt and Lily in there. This says 1934, Mr. and Mrs. Walt Disney. There's Walt holding Mickey. How did they get our outfits for tonight's dinner, Abby?
I don't know, it's quite a coincidence.
A coincidence. Got two bathrooms here. One's a tub and a shower. Got the sink. The best soap on board. Ooh, yes. And the other has a toilet and a sink in here, plus some more shelf space. We got some gifts. We're gonna have to check these out and see what they are. I'm excited. Wow, look at this. It's time to cruise. We got the Castaway Club bag here. That's nice. And then these two lanyards with Captain Mickey on them. Put your ID and everything in this. Thanks, Disney. That's awesome. I will say I love the art on the cruise line. This is Merbaby, so yeah, Silly Symphony. I love the posters, and this one I loved as a kid, man. King Neptune. It's the same look that the Santa Claus had in the Silly Symphonies as well. Now it's open house right now for the Oceaneers Lab. It's a kids only area, but me and Abby are gonna take advantage, go down there and see what it looks like, see what I can show you guys, because the rest of the trip, we're not allowed. Look, it's now Minnie. That's awesome. Mickey was there earlier, but now Captain Minnie is welcoming the guest. Look at this, we transformed into Andy's room here. The Slinky Dog slide. This is amazing. We're the size of toys. This is so cool. You uncultured swine! This is neat. All kinds of stuff from the Disney Channel. Vampirina. Here's all the Marvel, including Iron Man. How cool is that? And there's Captain America's training shield. A replica for training purposes only. They also have Pixie Hollow from Disney's Fairies. Whole little play area for that. So many different books over here. And now it's Goofy welcoming everybody in to the ship. Look at that. Yeah, this ship was the very first Disney cruise. And I think this is from the inauguration. Oh my gosh, yes. Dude, look at that right there. Roy E. Disney and Patty Disney. They were the official godparents for this occasion. And then it says right here, July 28th, yep, 1998, Port Canaveral, it's down the street from us, for the christening at the Magic. Roy and his wife Patty served as the official godparents as a 45-piece orchestra played. Patty Disney sent an oversized champagne bottle crashing against the ship's hull. Fireworks, kites, and stunt planes brought the ceremony to a colorful finish. There's the guys right down there, and I believe some of the band will be down there. And there's the magic. Planes flying over. That'd be cool to see the champagne bottle that she like crash into this thing to christen it, kind of like they did the Great Movie Ride. And this is like the midship area, the D lounge right here. Normally there's like a grand elevator in these and like a grand staircase. There are some elevators over here, but there's not like a grand one in the middle. This is like kind of smaller when it comes to Disney Cruise Lines. This ship is definitely a smaller version. Out here is a staircase that goes down. It's not open most of the time. A lot of people take photos with the Mickey there. Speaking of Mickey, I think we're gonna wait for Mr. M. Mouse, who meets right over here.
Let's hear it for Pluto! Give it up for Goofy! The #1 duck on the high seas, Donald Duck! And of course, we can never ever forget about Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse!
Did you see a dolphin?
Where?
It was just right there.
It was a dolphin?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, buddy. All right, we should be able to see this dolphin, hopefully. Put this thing on action mode. However, also we have set sailed. This is looking out of the porthole of our room. Back up here.
Over there.
Hmm?
There's some over there. I saw.
You saw a dolphin jumping over there?
Look, there they are.
Where? Oh, I see them. They're right there. Come on again, buddy. There he is. The left. There he is. Come on, where are you? Oh, there he is, right there. Sweet. Come on. Just wanted to get one jump. Ready to go eat? Lumiere's?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yes.
We're going to see the show first.
Oh yeah, we're going to the show.
Yeah. And then we'll go to Lumiere's.
Cool. And there's something about watching Pirates of the Caribbean in your room while looking outside and seeing the ocean right there. Like, that's cool. And dinner tonight is at Lumiere's. Like I said, I'm excited to go in and try this place. I've never been before. Here we go to our table. Oh my gosh, we're getting so close. Oh my gosh, we're close. We're like so close to this. We are seated right next to this. Right here, look, there's the rose. Are you serious?
Is the gray stuff good? Excuse me? Hello? They're not talking. They're not talking here. Whoa. It's real. The magic's real.